Hey y'all, so I just realized that I did not do a freaking intro for this video, so I just wanted to come on here and do an intro because I literally forgot. So I just wanted to come on here and say hey, and if you're new to my channel, thanks for coming and supporting. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're returning, thanks for returning and watching my videos and supporting. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into the video now. Right now we're on the way to Home Depot because I need to get some outlets, and I need to also get the banister things to hang the banister back up. And then I need to go to Dollar Tree because I need to get like some little like sponge brush so I can stain the banister. If y'all ain't noticed, your girl is handicapped right now. I'm out of it. Y'all know the nails that I had the last vlog, if y'all would have watched. They was going good, but I had to take them off. All right, y'all, so I'm kind of sad because I really liked this one, this Cassidy white finish, or this one, which is the derby white finish, but they don't have them in the quad switch lights, and I need 4 of them. And I looked online and they don't have them, so I don't want to buy them. I don't want to buy these and then I can't find nothing to match them, so that kind of pissed me off because I was really looking forward to it. And then I seen these and I thought these were so cute to go in the living room because it's like tufted, but I couldn't find what I was looking for here, so I'm kind of pissed off. So alright y'all, so I'm back. Look at this. Like, why? You literally wasn't there until I decided to start vlogging. Anyways, it's later. It's probably like 11 something. I haven't seen y'all since like 6 something. And I just came home and I finished painting the trim, and then we put the banister back up. And I'm sleepy. I'm about to get in the shower and go to bed. I love you. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you want you.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you want you want. Oh, I got this. Put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you want you want. Oh, I got this. Put it in the song, alright.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing up and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water. Got see yours out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, they run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Fuck his ass out, and I'm telling what he saw. Real watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. Sitting there on the plane, going straight to Medellin. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a bank while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my Lou with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, Lou with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Fendi couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Alright y'all, so this is how it ended up turning out. The steps, the guy still hasn't come to do my steps yet, and I haven't taken the aluminum foil from behind this back piece because I just want to make sure it's dry. But this is how it looks. Let me show y'all my little decor that I had put. So I had got these floating shelves from Family Dollar. I think they was like $7, and then everything else that you see here is from Dollar Tree. Everything, the mirrors, the little plant, everything. Besides this is a little smell good thing, but everything else is from Family Dollar. I mean Dollar Tree. And then let me show y'all. This is what the home thing looked like. That's the fan and the black dye stuff that I used to stain the steps. Don't mind that. But this is how it ended up looking. I think it came out so good, and it looks so good with my light. So I'm happy on how that turned out. Say hey. Hi. Why are you so shy? So as you can see, I look different. I look put together. But I'm on the way to my sister-in-law house for another girls' night. I didn't show y'all me getting ready because honestly I was rushing. I had just got off of work, and then I had to go like run and pick up some stuff, and then I had to still go get Bria. So I didn't really show that, but I'll just show y'all like my outfit and stuff when I get to her house. But we almost there. I just wanted to come tell y'all what was going on, but I will see y'all when we get there because I'm driving. It's dark and I'm in Chesterfield, and y'all already know it's Arrestafield. So I ain't trying to get no tickets. And yes, my thumb is still out of commission, but we're gonna make it do what it do. But y'all like my press nails? I got some black press ons just to see. I wanted black nails for a long time, but I didn't know if it was gonna look right, and I really like the short black look that everybody did. I mean, after this I'm gonna be having short nails for a long time. But I see y'all when I get to her house because like I said, I'm driving and it is 7:30 at night. So I'll see y'all when I get there. That's how you got 2 kids, girl.
tonight is on the violin. Yeah. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you have in this place on nothing, take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you have in this place on nothing, I'll take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you loved you. So come close, won't you? Won't you?
Wake him up. Wake him up. Who the fuck called it? My motherfucking phone. Who the fuck is Keisha? Bitch, oh, they ready to have a whole fucking conversation. Let me call her. Look at keep it going for 2 more minutes. Keep it going.
Hello? Get smart. You hung up and called back. You want to talk?
Yeah.
What we talking about?
What you want to talk about? She said you know Jerry. What you know about Jerry?
That's my man.
And what that man name with you right now?
Okay. Ready?
Hold on, wait. I can't see everybody. So I guess we do one person at a time.
Alright, go ahead, Tay. I know. Damn. We are saved now, y'all. No more stress in our lives. No depression.
No, the stress will be
The shipping and then the labor to put them together. And then
Do you want a bite?
When we pay, we can't take them out.
Want a bite?
yeah, I mean they all come in a crate, and then we have to put them together to get them out. We have to.
I like this one.
Yes, sir. So in case brush hits this, not the face.
Perfect. You
Yeah.
like that? That feel good? Try to take it off. You not take it off? We'll try your sister. Make sure y'all both got that same head size. Lift your head up. That's good for both of them, right? Like that?
Yeah, I know. I have twin girls, and I just, I'm all about it. I'm just all about it. I'd have 100 of y'all if I could afford it. But I can't afford it. Right?
Yeah, they're expensive.
Ooh, it's fun. Before your discount's 109.
Okay.
Yeah, so your helmets, all of them are going to be in that 80 to 120 range. Here's some more. You want this stuff? These are 99, so these are a little bit less. Yeah, this is. You pay a little bit more for that gloss paint.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me see, Rara.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, it's nice. That will fit both.
Yeah, it'll fit both of them. Yeah. Can't beat that at all.
That'll change, right?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so it's Sunday now, and I know I haven't been coming to the camera a lot. I've really just been vlogging, and I haven't really been talking. But right now we on the way to right now we on the way to a park to take the kids to go ride the dirt bikes. We got them a dirt bike yesterday. We got them a dirt bike yesterday. I did vlog that. Y'all probably seen it before this clips. Hold on. Yeah, so we ended up getting them a dirt bike. So we just got up early this morning, and we just about to take them to go ride for a little while, get them used to it before we actually take them to a dirt bike trail with all the speed bumps and stuff. So that's what we about to go do. They are setting up. He's getting the stuff out the shed, like the bike and stuff out the shed, the tarp and stuff, so we could put it in the back, and then we just gonna ride until we can't ride no more. So I will just see y'all when we get to the park and they start riding, because I'm really not doing nothing right now. But like I said, I haven't been talking a lot, so I wanted to come and just say, hey girl, hey. So hey y'all. But yeah, we just see y'all when we get to the park. Damn, I wanted to get her starting it up. She hit that ditch.
Come here. Come on. Drive. Don't kick that. Drive. Come on.
I know, because I saw your phone.
Did you have fun?
Yeah,
Was it hard?
a little bit.
Come on, you gotta follow me on. Don't you almost hit that damn thing.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Busting up and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water glass. See yours out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out, bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Athletic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, to run off with the package. I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight to military. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego.